Hi guys, so this is Dr. Shachi. So I know that many of the young girls today would love to become a beauty queen, would love to take part in the pageants and come on the big screen. So do you want to know the story of a diva who behind that tiara? If you do, we've got a wonderful anchor from Ahmedabad, Tanvi Rathod. Welcome
Thank you.
Tanvi to our podcast.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the lovely introduction.
So, Tanvi, today we have come to ask you about your journey. So, there are a lot of girls out there who would also like to be a beauty queen like you were in, I think, 2018, Mrs.
Yes.
India. Can you tell us what are the awards that you've already won so far?
2018, I went to Mrs. India. 2019, I won Mrs. Indian Ocean. And 2022, I won Mrs. Universe Generosity.
So, all this after marriage?
Certainly after marriage, after kids.
Okay, you don't look it. Believe me, you're one exotic
Thank
beauty
you.
that I'm very happy to see on my screen. So, Tanvi, what would you have to say to people or young girls who want to come onto this? I believe you do pageant training as well.
Certainly, I'm into pageant trainings, and that is why, that is my forte because there is something that I feel here majorly in Gujarat that people don't support the parents, the husbands, majorly the husband, the family, in-laws. They don't support who want to get into this pageantry. Pageantry is all about, you know, coming up with a personality that you already have, but polishing your skills, you know. So जो सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं बेसिकली उन पेरेंट्स के लिए मैं ऐसी ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट उन इन लॉज के लिए उन हस्बैंड्स के लिए मैं ऐसी ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ जहाँ दे डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड मच like mostly free trainings for those who cannot afford and go to the platforms where they can achieve their dreams.
You had full support from your family.
Certainly I'm lucky enough to have support from my mother-in-law. Like the major support I have is from my mother-in-law. She's the one who takes care of everything apart from my husband is definitely a support,
Have you had
thankfully.
any formal training in this?
Certainly I did a lot of trainings from Delhi. Mrs. Rita Gangwani, she's a very famed trainer in this industry. I got trained by Shweta Athwal, she's a trainer. I also got training from Lakshmi Rana ma'am, she's the supermodel of India. So did a
Any
lot of
of them
training.
from Ahmedabad locally?
None are from Ahmedabad, and that is one more reason for me to start training here because यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब इस फील्ड में जो प्रो कर सके, तो मैं ऐसा चाहती हूँ जो अभी मैं भी प्लान कर रही हूँ कि ये सारे जो ट्रेनर है जो दिल्ली मुंबई से बिलोंग करते हैं वो अहमदाबाद आके टीच करें. मैं जहाँ इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट करूँ मैं तो करूँगी, बट ये जो बड़े लोग हैं जो यहाँ पे आके लोगों को अहमदाबाद या गुजरात के पब्लिक को ट्रेन करें.
Okay. So, girls, if you're looking for a pageant trainer, we have one with us right now. And Tanvi, what else do you do after the pageants were over? Did you just take retirement?
Oh, no, not at all. Retirement was never in my mind. Like, ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि कुछ अचीव करके फिर you just stop that. So मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि अब क्या. First question that comes to mind, अब तो क्राउन घर पे लेके आ गए, अब क्या. तो training is the first thing. Because of all this training, I learned the art of speaking. Public speaking. मैं ऐसी थी कि जो कुछ साल पहले शायद 10 लोगों के सामने भी नहीं बोल पाती थी. बट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस ट्रेनिंग आई एम समबडी हु इज एंकरिंग द शोज राइट नाउ. लाइक
Wow.
1000-2000 का क्राउड होता है. आई डोंट हैव दैट स्टेज फियर ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दीज ट्रेनिंग्स. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय मास्टर्स वहाँ पे भी ऐसा था, हमें रोज एक प्रेजेंटेशन देना था. तो वो प्रेजेंटेशन देने के टाइम तो ऐसा था होता था कि यार ये क्या है, रोज रोज क्या प्रेजेंटेशन क्यों दिलवाते. बट नाउ आई रियलाइज कि वो रोज रोज बोल बोल के आपका कमांड ओवर लैंग्वेजेस, कमांड ओवर हाउ यू स्पीक, हाउ यू एड्रेस टू क्राउड, वो इतना स्ट्रांग हो जाता है कि you tend to make it a profession. So anchoring is the one of the profession I started after this pageantry thing. I also teach, I train people for this pageants and beauty pageant and other skills, soft skills and all. I'm a professor at GLS University. So couple of things I get into, and one very important thing I do क्योंकि ट्रेंड के साथ रहना चाहती हूँ, दैट इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन. दैट इज समथिंग अलाउिंग मी टू ब्रिंग माय क्रिएटिविटी टू लाइफ. So content creation as an influencer is one of the smartest thing I think I am doing today.
I have seen your Instagram, and believe me, guys, anybody who wants to be in the pageantry or wants to be in the public eye, her influencing and her role as an influencer is amazing.
Thank you.
So I really loved your page, and I also have had the occasion to visit quite a few competitions which you have been a judge for. Many
Yes.
fashion shows, many dance
Hmm.
competitions. Believe me, a more neutral judge you will not get. So Tanvi, that is another thing that you didn't mention but you're doing.
Yes.
Now, another question that has been, I think, probably, in the minds of almost most people is that most beauty queens are asked, does this beauty have a purpose? So I know you have a purpose, but I would like our audience to actually listen from your own mouth what your purpose is.
So initially I started with breast cancer awareness. मैं एक इंसिडेंट बताना चाहूँगी. जब मैं मिसेस इंडिया गई थी तब मुझे ऐसा कुछ पर्पस नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में, बट वहाँ एक कंपल्शन टास्क था कि तुम्हें ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस पे काम करना है. ठीक है, तो तब मैं जो काम करना मैंने शुरू किया, देन आई रियलाइज आई वाज इन सम विलेज भावनगर में, और वहाँ पे मैं ये अवेयरनेस का कैंप ले रही थी. एक फीमेल को एक्चुअली वी डिस्कवर्ड के है ऐसा कुछ. शी वेंट टू डॉक्टर बिकॉज आई डेंट न्यू मच अबाउट, एज मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ राइट, तो मच अबाउट ब्रेस्ट कैंसर क्या होता है कुछ नहीं. मैंने अपने इंटरनेट से अपना रिसर्च करके लोगों को बताना, बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चालू किया कि भाई ऐसा कुछ लंप होता है. दैट वाज माय वेरी बेसिक रिसर्च दैट आई डिड. और फिर वो पता चला कि शी एक्चुअली हैज़ दैट, शी गॉट डायग्नोस्ड विथ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, और उसका ट्रीटमेंट वगैरह हुआ. शी इज़ अलाइव टुडे. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि भावनगर के उस विलेज में शायद मैंने वो बेसिक बातें नहीं कही होती तो वो अभी नहीं होती. तो सेविंग दैट वन लाइफ इतना मुझे मोटिवेट कर गई कि फिर पर्पस उसके पीछे पीछे.
So have you joined any NGO which
आई
is...
हैव नॉट जॉइन, बट जहाँ हो सके मैं ये सेशंस लेती हूँ. और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अवेयरनेस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग. और दूसरा ये है कि बिकॉज पेरेंट्स डोंट सपोर्ट, बिकॉज इन लॉज ये चीज़ों के लिए सपोर्ट नहीं करते कि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में या अपने आप को ग्रूम करने में तुमको पैसे क्यों डालने, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव थिंग, या पेजेंट्री में जाना ही क्यों है. तो वो इंस्टीट्यूट में स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे ऐसे लोगों को मैं सपोर्ट कर पाऊँ. सो ये दो पर्पस, मेजर पर्पस के लिए मैं काम करती हूँ.
Now, as an anchor, there are two questions that I have. Number one, there are a lot of people who want to probably have an anchor as beautiful and as vocal as you, and they need to hire you. So, how can they connect with you? That was my first question. Second, you are a good anchor. That is a given. But why do you think you're such a good anchor? That's
Okay.
number two. And number three, what kind of events do you personally feel you are very good at anchoring?
Okay. The first question, let me answer that first because that is very important. People can connect to me on my Instagram.
Wonderful. That's one way of connecting with you.
Yes, they can
And-
connect to me on WhatsApp or call me up. And on my Instagram, I'm most active on my Instagram as a content creator.
So you
And-
will receive messages from Instagram.
Yes,
Okay.
right. And the other question is why people like to hire me. Well, people are biased, they want somebody who is very poised, very elegant, good looking on the stage. So corporate people, they like to hire me most. Other thing is I have good command over a couple of languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. So because I speak multiple languages, people like to hire me. I believe I am somebody who focus on connecting to my audience, bringing authenticity, bringing that poisonous on the stage. And that is the reason corporate people or people into niche market or luxury brands, they hire me the most.
All right. Mostly related to the fashion world.
Fashion
basically.
world, yes, because
So I've
I've
seen
been
you at
into
fashion pageants, I've seen you at competitions.
Yes.
What about something more serious, something which is giving a message, like you said about breast awareness? So would you be able to anchor for a technically based subject?
Certainly, I need to do my own research
Research.
on the same, but yes, I would love to do something of that sort, as I have not done it till date. Weddings are something I do, but I feel I'm more into that elegance and poisoness side.
Which
So
actually you're going to focus on the bride and the bridegroom during
right.
the
So
weddings.
beauty
So,
pageants or things
that's
like
more your
that.
cup of tea.
Yes.
All right. Now, after doing all this, there is one thing that comes to the, basic. I think what I have noticed is that anybody who is famous, everybody wants to know how they tick.
Yes.
Okay, so they want to know what you eat, what you wear, which brands you wear,
Yeah.
what is your favorite meal. So this is questions that are cropping up in almost everybody's mind. If I eat like her, if I dress like her, if I walk with her, then I'm going to be something like her.
Right.
So give us some personal details about you, which you don't mind sharing with the whole
Yeah,
world.
so this is one of the nicest thing you could have asked. My audience on Instagram, they love when I put up my stories, like, I wake up at 4:30, I'm cooking, I'm going to college, I'm taking lectures. So these kind of stories, this kind of content, when I put on my Instagram, my audience, they just love it. So they connect more. Acha, aaj kya banaya, things like that. So yes, I know people would like to know. But what exactly, I don't know about my personal life. I'm somebody who can wear Link Road से लिया हुआ 150 रुपए का चप्पल as well, and Steve Madden का 15,000 का heel as well. So I'm very what we say.
I think what you would like to say is whether it's a 150 ka chappal,
हाँ.
yeah, 15,000 ka sandal, it is how you carry
How
it
I
that
carry
makes a
it, that
difference.
makes a difference. I mean, मैं सब कुछ पहन लेती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि यही
So
brand
brand
है.
doesn't make the diva
Does
that we sit in front of
not
you.
at all.
Okay.
But that looks like कि लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यार इसने तो brand ही पहना होगा.
Exactly. So no
So-
matter what you wear, if you have the poise, which you're actually teaching
Yes.
people about,
Yes.
it will look like a branded item.
Branded item. How you carry yourself.
So, and how do you balance life and work? Family life and work?
Family life, as I said earlier, I'm very, very blessed when it comes to family. वो मुझे संभालते हैं ज़्यादातर, मैं उनको संभालूँ उससे ज़्यादा. So they take care of my things, nitty-gritty of my life. My mother-in-law, my husband, my kid. And balancing work, I think मैं बहुत peaceful, मैं पहले ऐसी थी जो बहुत शॉर्ट टेम्पर, बहुत गुस्सा आना. न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो someone who is very loud, impulsive in nature. But then with time, with pageant trainings, with all the trainings that I've done with this master, I think I'm somebody now who is very calm, composed, focused on things. So when I prioritize my tasks, daily tasks, कि आज ये करना है, I maintain my journal, daily journal, आज क्या करना है, कितने बजे कहाँ जाना है, तो वो previous night पे या early morning 4:30, 5:30 को ये plan हो जाता है, तो चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाती है, like I can execute things in a very easier manner. अगर आप मुझे देखो मेरे daily routine को, so morning 5:30 to 9, 10:30 I'm working, but I'm not tired. I'm somebody who is excited for every task I do. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं because of organizing thing, because of maintaining journal, because of family support. I think I'm able to execute very easily.
Okay. So I already know that you are unstoppable, Tanvi. But right from 2018 to 2022 to I think recently you were at some award ceremony with Arjun Kapoor in Mumbai. So what next, Tanvi?
So UMB Pageant felicitated me as a Gujarat partner with presence of Arjun Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. Manu Chittilar was there. So UMB is a very big platform for this married, unmarried females who wants to get into the pageantry. They are the only pageant institute here in India who sends you to Cannes Film Festival or Milan Fashion Week or Paris Fashion Week. They are the only one. So I am a Gujarat talent partner for them, and uh, so they are the one who felicitated me, and I'm training people here in Gujarat and sending them to this platform to compete on international pageants like Mrs. Universe, Mrs. World, Mrs. Petit Universe, or ample of
So you
other
select the participants from Ahmedabad?
from Ahmedabad.
So you
yes.
are the one who is organizing
they-
an event which selects those participants,
Certainly,
right?
yes.
So that is another very informative message. If you actually want to connect with the pageant, you know whom to connect with.
Yeah.
We already know she's available very easily on Instagram. She's mentioned a number and she's given us 2 hooks for our next guest. One is her support for breast cancer awareness. We have a gynecologist who's going to deal only with breast cancer. And her second one was that she's basically, you're looking forward to do
Training for those who cannot afford.
who are deserving and who are really good at it. So those are the other people who can connect with us. So
I would like to mention this at UMB Pageant, we give 100% sponsorship to those who are really deserving one, but they cannot afford. So they can take 100% sponsorship to compete on this level, Miss India, Mrs. India, Mrs. Universe, and all that. So we
Okay.
give.
So on that note, we will say a very big thank you to Tanvi to spend this Sunday morning with us. And thank you very much,
Pleasure
Tanvi.
is on mine.
Thank you again.
Pleasure.
Any message that you would like to send to the aspiring beauty queen,
Don't
Mrs. or
hesitate.
Miss?
Don't hesitate to come up with your dreams. I mean, just connect to right people and you are good to go.
Thank you again, Tanvi.
Pleasure.